Okay, it's going to be noisy. Why is it so noisy in here, Mom?
Because we're weaning boys.
Yeah.
And they are noisy.
So we've got Parker and Hunter and Crocodile over here. Hello, littles. Parker is so upset. We redisbudded him yesterday, so that's why he's got a little bit of red on his head. Huh? And then we put Irish in here. He's gonna be a full-time milk goat. You're not gonna be able to hear anything. Hello. Yeah, ladies. Okay, then Gamora and Scarlet. Oh my gosh, you guys are so loud. Gamora and Scarlet were in this pen, and now they're over in this pen. So much bigger. Huh? And then Bindy's still with Mom because she's little. And there's Red. And then this is where we're putting the coop so they can see the other chickens. And the stanchion is going to be going back over here once we take down this pen. I think that's the best way to do it. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be for right now. Okay, so we have their water and their food. We'll have to fill those up tonight in their, what do you call these? Warmer.
It's a warmer.
They're a little warmer. And we have one side lower than the other so that Jabba can go over there and the big girls can go over there. And we're gonna bring out the thermometer and just see how cold it gets. Yeah, this is their setup. Look at how roomy. Okay, we've made it out to the barn. How's everyone doing? Look at that little guy. That's our Silky. We're hoping he's our rooster. Yeah, it's super dirty. We didn't clean it today because we knew they'd be moving. All right, here we go. Welcome to your new house. Oh yeah, that's gonna be way too small for the big girls. Got him. Got her. There you go. Oh, there you go. Okay, you're pushing against my butt. Shall I move?
I guess so, because I can't get him. You get him.
They're all just so still. Oh, good gravy. There we go. Come here, little boy. Girl. My little walkie. Okay, here they are. Yeah, I think we should raise it back up, Mom.
Okay.
Sad to say, but he's standing under it. Here, let's see if I can get him. Yeah, he's standing up under the tall side. Are they supposed to be this still?
I don't know.
They scared?
Yeah, that's way too low.
Alright, we're gonna fix that. Okay, last thing, we've added a light. Hopefully that thermometer will go up to 80. It'll be warm for them tonight. They're all hiding under there. Okay, this is my night check on them. I moved the heat lamp down a little bit. It's supposed to get down to 50 degrees tonight. And I moved their heating unit over here as well. And look at that little Jabba. He's so cute. Okay, here's an update on the girls being back here where the Bucks used to be. They love it. Zoe especially likes to be outside, as you can see, her cute little booty. Oh, there's Lily. So we're gonna clean this out, and the girls are just gonna stay in here and help us. They'll probably go outside though. There goes Party. Look how good she looks. And Irish is back here now. Parker's officially weaned.
I just watched the chicken fly in through there.
Oh, curses. Chickens have been flying in, so we put up these bungee cords to stop them, and they just fly right through them.
I just heard it fall to the ground. Maybe they're flying all the way to the top of the stall.
No.
How crazy would that be?
That would be crazy. Ted Ball, you helping?
She said, I'm just making sure you don't pile it too high.
Yeah, oh, Sandy's also helping.
Yeah, they're very helpful.
Look how cute you guys are. I think it's only going to take maybe 2 wheelbarrows, whereas when I cleaned this out when the Bucks weren't here, it took me 4.
Yeah, well, how long had it gone between cleaning?
Oh, we won't talk about that.
Okay.
Hi, Sandy. So we ended up taking 2.5 wheelbarrows out, and the rest of the wheelbarrow, we cleaned out a horse stall. Sandy. Miss Marigold. Look at those cuties. It's gonna be a hot one. So we just let the stall air out a little bit. Hello. And we're gonna put down some diatomaceous earth that we have in this mixed nuts thing with, so we can sprinkle it out.
Do you want me to bring it in, or do you want me to just leave it out?
Leave it out. Let's wave at Trevor as he goes by. Trevor, do something funny.
Something funny.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go by with it.
I bonked my head. Bonkers.
It's a rainy day on Wildwind Farm. Some chickens got trapped. Mom's gonna let them out. Come on out, hurry before the goats come. Nope. And Mom's gonna try doing this while holding all of the milk.
She's an impressive woman.
And she's got a bunch of eggs in that apron. I don't know what she's doing. Well, it'll be interesting to see if she pulls this off.
Or maybe Americana wants to be in there.
I doubt it.
Oh.
Nope, she's definitely let Snoopy out. I'm just gonna stand and film it. Also, I want you all to notice Trevor has a banana sticker on the back of his shirt that Mom sneakily put there. I'm gonna be so impressed if Trevor catches that chicken. Oh my gosh, he did it! He caught his very first chicken.
I've got a chicken before.
Lies.
Want to just take her in? I feel like I have to hold it by a crop because it's so big.
I know, she's got an issue with her crop. Okay, our task for this morning is we're cleaning out this pen. Bindi and Red. Bindi is now 6 weeks old, and her brothers are in with Parker for the day. Parker's been weaned full time, and her brothers, Hunter and Crocodile, are just going away during the day. Guys, get to run around. See Bindi. There she goes. What do you guys think? Running around. Oh! All right, we'll get correct-a-lackin'. Bindi, you're okay. Look at it go.
Red. Oh, you have been. Oh, so scary. Nice. She got like a little boost from the hay bag. Are you gonna go running? Checking out the chicks? Oh my gosh.
looking at it.
Let's not do it. Oh, she opened up the thing. She's like, milk me. Yeah.
I'm ready to be milked.
They have been running around the barn, zipping to and fro. To and fro, excuse me.
Go, Red, go!
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I hope you got that.
I got it. Oh my gosh. You girls are so cute. You want to be milked on that stanchion now? You hear your babies? Wee! Wee! Oh, they're so good. Hi there.
Look at my hair out of the way.
We're recording.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Oh, she bited my kneecap.
Your patella.
Oh, you're so sweet. Do you like your clean stall? Hmm?
They've been busy playing.
She wanted attention.
A whole bunch of water. Oh, is that what
She
she wanted?
immediately stopped. Watch.
She's gonna start.
And then as soon as I start, oh.
That is cute.
Look at this little belly.
It's full of water.
Full of water. Oh yeah, you need attention too, little mama.
What good goats.
Okay. Here, you get down. How about if I squat down?
That'd be great.
I can pet both of you. Yes. All right, the babies are 3 weeks old. You've got sawdust all over you, Phasma. She's so chill. Yeah, the flaw in our plan is that they can go over there and we cannot catch them because it's under the house part.
Did you feed the chickens?
No, I still need to feed the big ones.
Okay, I'll give them some food.
We're suspicious if that's a rooster. Very suspicious. But here they all are, 3 weeks old. Jabba, look at him. Look at our little guy. He's so tiny. I need to get them some kind of toy or a roost or something to play with.
Oh, look at Vanda in her nest.
Vanda is so tolerant.
She's so good.
Americana, do you appreciate?
Oh, you're hiding on an egg.
Hey, look at how much feed they waste. Does anybody know how to make chickens not waste their feed? They waste feed in that, and we have this one over here. And they waste food out of that. We also need to clean this pen.
Yeah.
It's probably been a week. Hunger fan?
Comment below
Oh my
how to keep chickens from wasting
Yeah.
their food.
I mean, look at her. She's like just pecking for stuff she likes. I don't know. Rude.